In order to share your survey with others, you have to go to the Collaborate tab from the Survey123 website, and there will be a link for the survey that can be shared with others. By clicking on this icon, you are able to copy the link. Also, you may share the QR code for the survey. This icon here is for you to open the survey in a new tab. You may share the survey and make it public, or you may share with members of your organization. You can edit what the respondents or submitters are able to do. If they're only able to add new records or they can update their records, you will state, and you can state whether or not persons can submit more than one response, or they're only allowed one submission. Also, you may have a scheduled start and closing date and time for your survey, or you could just leave your surveys open, and then we'll click save. Okay, save. We'll wait on this to be saved. Okay, great. In terms of the results, you can keep your results private, or you can share your results with members of your organization, the public. You can share where persons can only see their results submitted, and you can state whether or not persons can export the results. And that's it. That's how you share your survey and the results. We have come to the end of another video. I trust that you did enjoy and you have learned something new. Please go right ahead, like the video, comment down below, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your post notification. Follow also on my social media pages, and thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.